We are delighted to be here today. In fact, IIA is a national level body representing entire trade fair sector, which has all verticals of trade fairs, such as venue providers, exhibition organizers, service providers, logistics people. Recently, we had an opportunity to elect a person from southern part of India, and the very first time he joined the executive committee of the association. Mr. Nagendra Prasad was elected as a vice president of IIA. Before that, we had Mr. Bala from Bangalore Exhibition Center. And in fact, it was really a very good opportunity for us that he had, in the very first meeting, he introduced not only himself, but also the Hyderabad and the high-tech city. And he offered that the next meeting of the EC should be held at the high-tech city. So, 39th meeting of the executive committee of our body, first time in southern India, was held here in this complex. I am really thankful to Mr. Nagendra Prasad for hosting this EC meeting. Friends, today in the EC meeting, we have taken a lot of decisions, and I hope this decision will later on become the historical decision as far as IIA is concerned. Very soon we are going to have a series of training program for the trade fair industry, which was really missing for the long time. On the pattern of the UFI, we are also going to organize now training programs on the various subjects, such as safety concerns, marketing, and many other subjects which we are earlier discussed in the recent open seminar in New Delhi that was held in the month of April. So we have really deliberated on that in a very detailed manner and worked out that it should be kicked off immediately, and very soon all of you will see that the training program will be held not only in Delhi. So now the focus is not Delhi centric programming. The focus of the IIA is going to be on all India basis. So southern India, particularly Hyderabad, is going to take a lot of lead in this direction, and I am hopeful that Mr. Nagendra Prasad will also extend this his cooperation in this regard. The other area of our concern has always been that the exhibition sector should be considered as an industry, and presently there is no classification of exhibition industry. Every state classifies exhibition in a different format. So I would like to appeal the industry champion, including Mr. Reddy through your AP chamber, and definitely at the central level, we had invited last time D. Purandeshwari ji, she's Union Minister of State for Commerce that time, she was there, and other minister. That too, basically you have to take the trade fair industry in a way the Germany or the other European countries have taken. They have considered it as a engine of the economic growth of each city. So through all the chambers of commerce, FICCI, SOCHM, CIA, and also through the local chamber of commerce and the government, we would like to make an appeal that India should also tap its full untapped potential in the years to come, so that we can really make the exhibition industry in India a complete engine of the economic growth over here also.